So in this lecture we will be going to see what we are actually going to build in this crash course, right? So we will be building a blog API, right? So we will be building an API for blog, right? So we will be basically having some fields in our blog applications, and we will be trying to accommodate all the CRUD operation that we generally perform in an even for a small or and a big API or a complex API, right? So let's see. So if you try to navigate to this URL, right? So this is not going to work on your system right now, right? So here I had defining different types of endpoints we are going to build. So basically we are going to build 5 kinds of endpoint. So there is one list endpoint, so API forward slash blog hyphen list forward slash, which is going to all the blogs that we have created so far, right? And then we have details view. So if you want to see the particular kind of blog by their primary key or by their IDs, right? So you can just do that, and we will be going to learn about how we can uh, create endpoints, and then we will moving forward to create blog update endpoints by defining by their primary keys, and then we will be going to look at how we can actually delete a blog, right? So if I will try to navigate to this URL, so localhost colon 8000 API, and we will pass blog list. So it will be going to show all the blogs that we have in our database, right? So these are the blogs that we have in our database. So right now we have only 2 blogs uh, in our database, and I will actually show you where this result is actually fetching right now, right? So then the second endpoint, if you want to see a particular kind of a blog in your application, right? So you can easily see that as well, right? So let's try to visit to this URL, blog.details, and try to search for a blog ID with key as 3, right? So here you can see that you are getting a particular kind of a blog, right? So this is basically viewing a particular resource by their IDs, right? Okay, cool. So now we will be trying to see how you can create your actual blog, right? So if you try to navigate to this URL, blog.create,